Welcome to this tutorial on Ad Spender. This tutorial will cover how to access Ad Spender, what kind of data is available, and how to create a custom report. To begin, visit the Parrish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parrish Library homepage, access the list of business databases. Ad Spender is on this list. This is the interface for Ad Spender. Ad Spender allows users to view a top-level summary of the multimedia advertising marketplace. On the left, you'll find the Action menu where you can create and view reports. In the middle of the page, you'll see either a list of reports or the report you're working on. On the right is the Ad Spender bulletin board where you can find updates and information regarding Ad Spender and Kantar Media. To begin, let's create a custom report. Click Create under the Custom Reports section to the left of the page. As you can see here, there are 6 steps to creating your report. The first step is to select the type or types of media you're looking for. In this example, let's select magazines and internet display and then move them to our scheduled media window by clicking on the arrow in the middle. Next, we need to select a time period. We have the option to look at the current month, quarter, or a specific time period. In this example, we'll look at the last year. In step 3, we'll select the products that we're looking for. This can be done by selecting a category or product. In this example, we'll start by searching for a brand name. To do this, select Brands from the drop-down menu and then type Colgate in the search bar. Then click Search. This will give you a list of all of the Colgate products available in this database, as well as the brand itself. If we select the brand from the list, then click Drill at the bottom of the window, we'll be able to explore categories, subcategories, and microcategories associated with Colgate. Let's select microcategories, then select mouthwashes from the list. If we select Drill again, and then choose Brands, we'll get a list of mouthwash brands and product lines. From here, we can select the products or brands we want to compare. In this example, let's select Act, Colgate, and Crest for comparison. Once we've selected our brands, we can move on to step 4, Report Format. In most cases, the default settings should be fine. Since you'll generally have more products than media, it will make sense to have the products set as rows and media set as columns. Viewing measurements in dollars will also make the most sense to most people. In step 5, you have more options for formatting your report. For our example, we'll leave the default settings for total and output options. In the bottom section, you may want to add a header for your report. In the last step, you have the option to name your report and double-check that it includes the information you're looking for. If you need to make any changes to your report, you can click on the pencil icon next to the section you'd like to make changes to. Once you've made your changes, you can click on the green arrow to run the report. This will take you to the report viewer. The next step is to wait until the status of your report shows completed. Once your report is finished, you can view the report by clicking on the PDF icon or the CSV icon. Now you know how to access Ad Spender, what kind of data is available, and how to create a custom report. If you have any questions, please contact us at parlib@purdue.edu. Thank you.